Your window, can you roll it down? I'm gonna ask you one last time.
Stop asking me questions.
Do you have an issue?
Do you have an issue?
You've been ordered to leave. If you fail to do so, you will go to jail tonight.
Where are you going? Hey! Get out! Get out of the vehicle! Out of the vehicle!
Officers get called to a parking lot after security notices a car mysteriously parked in the middle of the lot at 1:30 in the morning. Officers hope to simply tell the driver to leave, but certain things early in the encounter make them look deeper into what's really going on.
This vehicle earlier when I called you guys was running. Nobody was answering when I knocked on the window, trying to get their attention. All I'm trying to do is get them to leave property because they're not supposed to be here.
Police line dispatch, I'm 1012 with security. Okay, sorry.
Other than that, I mean, they just got to leave property.
Okay. Did you happen to see how many people were inside?
I can't see inside.
You can't tell at all? Are you sure there's somebody inside?
No.
Okay.
That's why I called you guys.
Okay.
Because I knocked a couple of times, and after that, I was done.
They ran the tag, because obviously you guys gave it to them when you called it in, and there's nothing wrong with it. Okay. So it came up to that vehicle, everything was fine. So as far as that part is good to go. I can go and try to make contact, see if they answer.
Okay.
So.
Yeah, like I said, it was running when I got here, and I don't know if it's running still or not. But
okay. It was just them?
Yeah, just no light. Had no lights on, running. No answer.
Okay.
Just more of a concern.
I thought it was the ones that were jumping in the car with their local, so I wasn't like, yeah, because it's kind of weird, and then they took off, but I was like, I guess not. They left already. Police line dispatch, can I get 64 routine? Yeah, I got somebody in there. I need dispatch. We got the vehicle's occupied by one. Is a female. We're about to try to make contact. Yeah, but she is undressed. I didn't see no 0 in there anywhere, so just didn't want to startle her and have her grab anything. Want to try the doors first? They don't want her here. They want her gone.
Yeah, just tap on the window.
But she hasn't woken up. That's what they were doing. Gotta roll it down. Roll your window down. Yeah, roll it down.
You run the tag?
Yeah, said it was fine. Your window, can you roll it down?
Roll the window down.
The window.
Hello?
Hi, how are you?
Hi, why did you come on my window so hard?
Ma'am, we're trying to make contact with you, and you're not responding to what we're doing. So that's why I knocked on the window a little bit louder, because the officer that's standing right next to you has been trying to talk to you and tell you to roll your window down. Okay? There's a blanket trespass for this parking lot, and security does not want you here. So we're just trying to wake you up to tell you that this is not the place to be. Fair? I'm sorry if I startled you, but I was just trying to get your attention because we don't know if you're having a medical emergency or something like that. You okay? RXV A87. And I'm just trying to see if she's the RO. She's got a valid DL.
Roll this window down. Thank you. Okay. Do you have your driver's license on you?
I do not.
Okay. Let me have your name. Are you okay? You sure you're feeling okay?
I'm good. I just been sitting here because I'll usually be going to the gym and stuff. Jackson.
The gym, you said?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Hold on. What's your first name?
Jasmine.
What's your date of birth?
02.
What is it? 02?
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
09.
09.
76.
76. Alright, just give me a few.
The male officer runs the woman's plate and comes across her actual name registered to the vehicle.
She's an RO?
Yeah, she's an RO, but her license is not valid. It's for insurance. She's a non-judgment suspension. That is Kiera. Kiera.
Just Miss Davis, so.
Huh? 96.
So no, I think she just gave false information.
Pretty sure it's a fake name.
Wait, hold on. Miss Davis, I'm not done talking to you.
What's up?
I'm talking
he
to
just
you.
said that he just needed me to leave.
I'm talking to you, right?
I gave you all my information. You was done talking, so I'm confused.
How are you confused? I'm still asking you a question.
You gotta stop asking me questions.
Do you have an issue?
Do you have an issue?
I'm asking you. We're here to help. You're the one that was over here parked, sleeping, knocked out. They were trying to wake you up for a while, so they called us.
Okay, so I'm up now. Like I'm confused. Like
What are you confused about?
Because like, why are you still asking me questions? I'm trying to go where I'm going.
Because I have to make sure I'm talking to who I'm talking to. You gave me your information, right? You said you have no ID on you, correct? Isn't that what you just told me? Isn't that what you just said?
Is that all the questions you got? So I can go where I'm going?
No, you can't leave yet. You need to wait.
What is I'm waiting on?
You just giving me an attitude is not making anything better. Okay? Especially when we're called here to help. And you're the one that was over here passed out.
I wasn't passed out.
You weren't passed out. So what were you doing?
What you mean like passed out? Like you saying
Like sleeping.
Oh,
passed
okay.
out. And then you're giving me fake information because if you're not found under Davis and you just gave me a social security that is not, he's unable to pull, then who are you? Who am I talking to? They were unable to wake you up. You're half naked when I pulled up to your vehicle.
Well, I had just left the gym, so that's why I have on gym clothes.
I'm going to ask you one last time. Give me your first and last name and your date of birth. I'm done playing this. First and last name, date of birth. You can do the easy way or we're just going to do the hard way. You just let me know because I'm done.
She's got no license. She doesn't have any warrants or anything. She's got no license.
Was that difficult?
He said what?
Your license is suspended. You got no license.
It's not suspended. I literally just went to the DMV.
Does
and got all that
it
together.
say, she said she just went to the DMV. What does it say? Suspended, that's all?
Judgment suspension.
Okay.
She's the registered owner of that vehicle.
All right. Was that difficult?
Why would you add 20 years to your date of birth? It doesn't make sense.
Because, like,
Why?
I don't understand why y'all asking me all these questions in the first place.
You don't look 49.
What do you mean you don't understand? I explained it to you already.
Because, like, I just feel like it's no big issue or nothing. I'm sitting here, wasn't feeling good, and y'all were just doing too much. I feel like y'all could just let
We're
me go
doing too
right
much.
there.
We're doing too much where you're parked somewhere you're not supposed to be. You're half naked inside your vehicle. You're not responding to security that's been trying to wake you up. And the only reason they called us is because you didn't respond. Because if you had woken up when they tried, you could have been on your way without us being here now. All this could have been
I don't
avoided.
believe they tried to do nothing.
Yeah, they did.
Okay.
They're allowed to. It's not like they're broke in your car or nothing. They're just knocking to wake you up.
You think that she's good to drive? Or she's good? Are you intoxicated, Kira?
No, I am not. I don't even drink.
Okay. So, Miss Kira, why did you have a fake name and date of birth? Why does that even make sense?
Because, like, I'm annoyed, and I feel like y'all just doing too much. I feel like I have just went on about my day. Okay, yeah, I'm in the area I'm probably not supposed to be in, but it's not like I'm doing, like, y'all, I just feel like it was too much.
Right, but think of it this way. We got here, we were fine, right? We said, made contact, we were fine, talking to you just fine. You gave us your information, everything was fine. Until we found out that you're lying, right? And then everything changed, correct? What if you had done the right thing to begin with? We could have been like, you know what, fine, you're on your way. You already know what happened, we understand, bye, right? Could have avoided.
Okay, so this is where we're at. They want you to leave the property. You can't drive. So, you need to exit your vehicle and leave the property.
I'm not going to leave my vehicle here. She already had told me somewhere.
Okay, no problem. Wait 1 second.
The officer finally asked the parking security if they want the woman trespassed from the area.
So she ain't got no license, pal. Okay. So, she doesn't want to leave her vehicle here. Do you want to formally trespass her from the...
Yeah, well, we can tell it for her.
If you can get somebody to come get it, that's fine. To come drive you.
Okay.
You can't drive.
They want her formally trespassed from the plaza.
I'll do it. Do you understand? Once you leave, you can't come back.
So you're gonna...
I have a membership over here, though.
So right now you're being formally trespassed from the plaza. If you fail to leave, you go to jail.
If what?
If you fail to leave, you will go to jail.
That is some... I hate practice, boy. Look at this bug.
It has nothing to do with that.
And with no one picking up her calls to come and get her car, the woman slowly becomes more unpredictable.
She's calling, trying to get somebody to come get her.
She can call, but she's leaving the property now or she's going to jail.
All right, come on.
Come on, what?
You gotta go.
You already just told me to call somebody.
Yeah, you can call, so it's a cell phone, right? So it's mobile. So you can put
My phone is broke. I'm calling through my thing, through my car.
Okay. So this is where you need to make a determination of what you're going to do. Because that's going to determine what we're going to do. Okay? We've tried to be cordial with you. We tried to be nice with you. You've been belligerent with us, and you don't want to cooperate. So this is where we're at. You've been ordered to leave. If you fail to do so, you will go to jail tonight. And then that security company will tow your vehicle. Or you can gather what you need out of your vehicle, exit your vehicle, and leave the property because you're going to be formally trespassed. Then you can have somebody else come get your car that has a license.
That's what I'm trying to do. And I don't understand. I don't even believe my license is suspended. Because I literally had everything fixed before I just got this car.
Okay, so your license is suspended. Because you're...
No.
What is your middle name?
You trying to focus on getting me on somebody that's gonna pick me up.
So she has to roll up the window? Well, if she drives off, I'm going to stop and arrest her for driving while license suspended. Because I just told her license is suspended. And then if she flees, then we know who she is. So I'll just get a warrant on her for fleeing. And if she fails to leave in the next 5 minutes, I'll give her 5 minutes. Then she's going to go to jail for trespass after warning. So we got 3 options. I'm okay with either at this point. It's going to be kind of hard for her too.
Right. Where are you going? Hey! Where are you going? Get out! Get out of the vehicle! Out of the vehicle!
With less than 2 minutes of chasing the woman, officers are able to quickly pit maneuver her, and then this happens.
We got her. We got her on pit. Get out your vehicle! Get out your vehicle! Get out! Stop resisting! They're gonna take you!
I don't understand. Like, why y'all doing all that?
Stop! Stop moving! Here.
Put your hand behind your back.
My hand is behind my back. This don't make no sense.
Be quiet. Tell everyone else to slow down. Stop.
You put her in your car?
She's single tenant car in Southeast.
Get up.
I'll put her in your car.
What was her name? I don't remember her name.
Y'all need traffic still?
No, we're good.
So, we issued a formal trespass warning. She got no valid license. So she was going to leave the vehicle.
Wow.
Then she put on her reverse. So put another car
Okay.
behind her. Then she ran
She already
back
has
into
her.
it. So we got ag battery and then fled. Well, Doja wasn't in it. Oh. So we don't know.
I think she told us not to park there.
What's the girl's name?
Here,
I'm 95% sure that's the same one that stole the car in Northwest and then that pursuit that ended in Southeast. I'm 95. Wait till Sergeant gets here.
Okay. They opened up a separate traffic crash. Search her car yet?
No.
We haven't touched it.
Okay.
We haven't touched it.
All right. I'll get somebody else to do that. Gran,
The woman is charged with fleeing and eluding, resisting arrest without violence. All suspects are innocent until proven guilty in the court of law. Resisting an officer without violence came into place once the woman refused to exit her vehicle and proceeded to drive off, which led to her second charge, fleeing and eluding when she took the officers on a high-speed chase that only lasted 2 minutes. For aggravated battery on a peace officer, once she started backing up and going forward, she ended up hitting a police officer's vehicle and received the charge aggravated battery on a police officer. As always, all suspects are innocent until proven guilty in the court of law. Let me know your honest thoughts on this case down below in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Where are you going? Hey! Where are you going? Get out! Get out of the vehicle! Out of the vehicle!